Try speaking to someone the way we recite Quran in Salah. That super fast speed. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Honestly, they wouldn't understand a single word. But look at us. When we talk to people, we slow down. We explain. ऐसे आराम से मेरे भाई ऐसे वैसे. We repeat ourselves if they don't get it. So tell me, why do we rush when we are talking to the king of all kings? There is no deadline there. No one is chasing you. Nothing is more urgent than that moment. You're not just reading words, you are talking, you're asking, you're standing in front of Allah. So, bro, slow down, slow it down. Let the words land in your heart before they leave your tongue. At least know what you're saying. Slow down. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. नमाज कोई दौड़ नहीं है, ये मुलाकात है. Pray like Allah is right in front of you because He is. Assalamu alaikum.